So you don't know what you're doing, and the walls are closing in. Just remember where we're going, and remember where we've been. We can breathe underwater. Nothing can hurt us anymore. And as long as we're together, it doesn't matter where we are. When I do hear the ocean's roar.
Good morning, we are sailing off Princess Charlotte Bay on the outskirts up north. We've actually got a really lovely day to sail today so far, so we're really happy about that. We've got the trolling lures out, we've got full sail out up the front there. Blue's still asleep, he hates the mornings. And today is Benny's birthday! Yay! How's it feel to be 21?
Same as it did last year.
Gave him a little present this morning and then make some cake hopefully later if we arrive by sunset. Yeah.
So I left a little sharp tag on one of the lures and the traces that I shouldn't have. Caught a little shark and came off second best.
Now I've just made some scones to reheat. I made them yesterday. They're not healing too much, I don't have the oven on gimbaled at the moment, so it's all good. I'll take those out. Turn the gas off. Yeah, this is just a basic recipe scones. It's from flour, butter, milk, and a little bit of sugar.
I think you'll find it's pronounced scones. Scones, baby.
Scones. Scones, mate. Scones.
Oh, I know.
Scones.
What is it? Prepare yourself, girls. Scones. That's right.
Vegemite scones. Ben hates this. Here we go. Jam, butter, and the odd Vegemite scone for moi. Must get my Vegemite in. Here you go, babe.
Oh, thank you.
Scones, birthday scones. Alright, the wind just died for the first time in a few weeks. As we're in the lee of Princess Charlotte Bay, so we got to put the mended Code C up as we ripped it last season. She looks good. Nice little birthday present for Ben. He loves using the Code C. And I'm hoping to show you we've actually seen 3 sea snakes, olive sea snakes already. So very close to reefs. A few islands out there. you should be careful what you wish for, because we had really, like we said, we had really windy southeast trade days for a few weeks. You know, quite uncomfortable, and we had to steer most of the time instead of any autopilot. And then today we've got the code C, and it's just kind of flapping around because we don't have any consistent wind. Everything's a trade-off. As you can hear, we've got the motor on now. Motor in the sailing world indicating no wind. Spinnaker code C is gone. Furled up, which means rolled up. And we are in the middle of quite a few outer reefs and some outer islands. So we're just navigating through there. Yeah, it's actually quite hot now. We've put the code C away, which was our shelter, and we've probably only got, what, 4 to 5 knots of wind. So we're not moving. So we're just motoring away at 3.3 knots. And how long till we get there?
1 hour.
1 hour.
If you ever think it's pointless, I will remind you that it's not. And the world will dance around us. They wanna know what we've got. We can breathe underwater. Nothing can hurt us anymore. And as long as we're together, it doesn't matter where we are. When I look at the ocean's heart.
That's the fuel. Okay, engine off.
Yep.
If you remain on anchor watch. A hot bluey, mate. It's gonna be hot today.
Look at this. Hot haze. That's crazy. We're on the outer reef now, and it's glass out, which is just amazing. Charts were not what they said they were, but that's to be expected up here. And Ben is just down fixing the fuel pump, I think, as it just started surging when we came in. So we just took the first anchorage we could safely. And we're here in 6 meters when it's meant to be almost nothing. And that's the haze over there. And there's a reef and a quay, well, a non-exposed quay, so it's more like a lagoon that we'll be fishing on today.
Shutting off the fuel to the engine.
No.
Oh, this is like a little pre-filter for the pump that it comes with. The original install had it as well. I was thinking of maybe taking it out. That's probably the filter that's causing the surging.
Ah.
But if I got to take it off, I got to take the pump off to take it off anyway, so I might as well put the new pump in. I don't know, that might be it, it might not be it. I just have to throw another $1,000 at it.
Nothing like a bit of maintenance on your birthday, eh?
Yeah.
That's boat life. So that's cruising in far north Queensland southeast trades for you. We were just at a reef in Glass Out and Ben fixed the fuel pump So we anchored up in 6 to 8 meters. I was watching the wind come in, we had that haze, and everything just changed, and within 20 minutes we had, you know, rolling swell and winds well over what it was. So and now out there Ben's just sailing. We're sailing to a completely different place now so we can anchor up, and it's, what time is it now? 5:30. And yeah, we were long meant to be anchored up, so that's sailing, you know, gone from nice glass out to, and having the code C out, to now having the normal sail out, reefed, the head sail, and rolling around again. Sunrise at another island, just an overnight. Very rolly. Lots of crocs here apparently, but we didn't see one. And we're just gonna head off again to our destination.
Probably about 80 meters back, see that?
Yeah.
I know, I saw this up ages ago and I was like, I want my lure back. Don't buy this lure. It's called a couple of sharks, no?
It's a pretty big shark. Oh, another shark. And we're almost there. Yeah, float it down to 3.5. Look how red I am.
It's not like we've got any wind that we can